All right, let's do another enzyme question. Pause the video, multiple choice here. All right, welcome back. Which graph best shows how enzymes activity changes with temperature? Right? How does an enzyme's activity change with change in temperature? Well, we know the two things automatically when you change temperature or pH, those things are going to break enzymes. We call that denaturing. Right? So those are not good things. Enzymes only work at very specific temperatures and very specific pHs. Right? So like here's a very generic drawing of an enzyme with a very important active site. Right? So that active site is has just the right shape to fit a substrate. Okay, and if that substrate doesn't fit, that enzyme can't speed up the reaction. It can't do its job. That is no good. That needs to fit. All right, and the two things that change it are temperature and pH. So what happens if temperature changes? Well, enzyme's not going to work. So the enzyme is only going to work at its optimum temperature right there. So enzyme activity, all right, that means it's working. It's working right there in this range. And you can see as the temperature increases or decreases from that optimum temperature, that enzyme is not going to work. It's not going to work down here. All right, so let me remove some of this paint and you can take a better look at that. All right, let's see how we did. Like, I hope nobody picked A. What is that? You've never seen that in our class. And this is like the opposite. All right, so if you pick C, maybe you just interpreted incorrectly. All right, so D is the correct answer. All right, let's see the stats. All right, so this was not a hard question. It's just a level 2 question, but look at that. Students repeatedly have a hard time with enzyme questions. I don't know what it is about it. It's just not an easy concept or topic for students. All right, so did you get that right? You've done better than more than half the students in Pennsylvania. Now, why did 30% of the students pick B? Okay. Well, maybe I don't know. This is my guess, but maybe they saw us like something like that in their math class is very very common. I would think. But think about this. All right. Just imagine this is you. All right. You like the room to be like 71 degrees is what people say. All right. That's the temperature of your thermostat at home or wherever you are. All right. When that thing gets cold, yes, you are not going to like it. If it gets too cold, you're dead. All right, you are not feeling good. All right, you're feeling good right here, 71. All right, now if you raise that temperature up, are you going to get even happier? No. All right, imagine jumping into a hot spring at Yellowstone, Yellowstone, or geyser. All right, you hear about these crazy people dipping their toes in the boiling water. Like that's gonna no. All right. It's not gonna go up here in this happiness region. It's gonna go back down. So that's why this is the answer. All right. Changes in temperature, denature enzymes. Remember that.